But from my side, and let me share the screen. Okay, so here, yeah, okay, so here, if you are a member of a database role, a user is a member of database role, okay, those permissions are limited to that particular database only. Okay, if you are a access admin, if you are a access admin, okay, just 1 minute, Sudarshan. Okay, you can record permission. You can record Sudarshan. Right. Okay, Praveen, you're also missing with permissions. Let me check. Praveen. You can record Praveen. Right. Okay, so if you are a member of Access Admin, you can drop the users, other users. Okay, from which database? Okay, from which database you can drop the users? In which database role I have added you? From the same database you can drop other users. Okay, but again you cannot drop this default users. Okay, you can drop the normal users and all. Default users you cannot drop it. Fine, right? So a member of Access Admin is having three permissions. One is it can drop, other means drop means delete. Simply it is going to delete. It can drop other users from the database, and it can grant database access to any user. It can revoke DB access. Okay, so a member of Access Admin can drop the user, can give access to the database, okay, can revoke the access to the from the database. Okay, so in case I want to add Joshi to the Access Admin role, guys, how to do that? I want to add Joshi to the Access Admin role. How can I do that? Can anyone tell me? I can do it two ways.
Double click on
Double click on.
database.
Okay. Double click
Right
on.
click on
Right click.
properties.
Properties.
Permission. No.
File groups. File groups. File groups. Naresh.
Permission. Go to permissions.
Permissions. Okay.
Yes.
Here. So, okay, we are not going to do like this. Go to your Joshi login. Okay, double click on the Joshi login. Go to user mappings. Select the database. Okay, and once you choose the database, the DB roles will be enabled here. Okay, if you choose other database, again it will be disabled. See here. If you choose other database, the roles will be disabled. I want to add Joshi. Okay, why? Because Joshi is already having access on the sales database. So Joshi user is already created in the sales database. So now I want to add this Joshi user to Access Admin. So select the database, select the DB Access Admin, click OK. Now Joshi can remove the users from sales database, can grant database access to other users, and can revoke. Revoke means taking back the permissions. Take back the permissions from the other users. Clear? If you want me to add, if you want to add any login to the server role, double click on it, go to server role, and you can add any login to the server role. If you want to add any login or user to the database role, go to user mapping. On which database you want to add, select that particular database and choose the role, so that automatically you can add a user here. Even though you are opening a login, Joshi login, but you are adding Joshi user to the DB access admin. So only, okay, user will be added into the access admin role. Okay, in this way I can add any user into the database role. Clear? Any issues, any doubts, or else I have another way also. Okay, go to the database, go to the security, go to the roles, go to the database roles, double click on access admin, go to the add member. Here Joshi is already added. So in case if Joshi is not added, or else let me remove Joshi. Okay, Joshi. Okay, I'm just removing just to show you the demo. That's it. Don't remove in the organization. Add, type Joshi, check names. Okay, Joshi came, right? Click OK. Now you can click OK. In this way also you can add Joshi to the access admin role. Directly you have to go to the access admin role properties. There you can add any user to the database role. Clear? Any issues, any doubts? So in tomorrow's class, we'll complete the pending database roles, and we have custom database roles also. Like how we are having custom server roles, we are also having custom database roles also. So tomorrow we'll complete the roles, and tomorrow I'll start fixing orphan users. Orphan users. What is an orphan user? How to fix the orphan user? How to find the orphan user? Who can call as an orphan user? We'll discuss all these things. Okay, and I'll show you how to deal with the orphan users and all, very important topic. Okay, so that's it for today. In case of any questions, let me know. If no questions, okay, good night, all of you. Any questions, please?
No, sir. Good night.
Okay, thank you. Good night, all. Bye, take care.
Good
Thank
night,
you,
sir.
Shalma.
Yeah,
Good night. Good night, all.
yeah. Sarkar. Yeah, Sarkar, tell me. Yeah, yeah.